Changing the background of an image to transparent or to any other color is much easier these days. You can easily remove background from image using some of the software or tools in just a few clicks within seconds. In this video we want to introduce some top free ways to remove background from image. Well, some of them are free, precisely. All the links will be put on the description. Before we start, please use your fingers to click the like and subscribe button to support our channel. We really appreciate it. Now let's get to the point. The first tool we'd like to recommend is
Canva.
It is a well-known application that is extremely simple to use. It has some built-in tools and elements, which can create different types of visual content. You can import your own images, and edit the image. One thing to know is that the background remover feature isn't free. You need to upgrade to Canva Pro to use it. However, the site offers a free trial for 30 days. And you can cancel it anytime. So it is an option. 2.
Adobe Express.
Adobe is another software that you can use to remove image background. It has some quick actions for image editing. One of them is Remove Background. Simply upload an image, and it will automatically remove the background for you. After that you can download it or keep editing in Adobe Express. Like resize, crop. These tools are free, but you can notice that the edges are not perfect, and it will ask you to go premium if you want to adjust the edges. There is a 30-day free trial. You can cancel it anytime, so it's an option. 3.
HitPaw Online.
Another tool is HitPaw Online. Here are many useful online media tools. The one we are using is the background remover. We can use it online, or download the app on Android or iOS devices. Simply upload an image and the AI will automatically remove the background for you. It also supports batch remove image background. We can select multiple images and process them all at once, then add background to the images or export them with transparent background. We can also keep editing the images. Here are some simple background to replace on the right side, or click edit to further refine your image. Here are lots of templates for different needs, such as profile picture or eShop picture, in-story cover or many other images. We can also change different background, use some elements, or add shadow to the subject. Users can free remove one image background every day, and subscribers can remove image background without limits with $4.99 every month. 4.
HitPaw Video Converter.
Another tool from HitPaw. This is a desktop software created for converting all kinds of video and image formats, just like a video toolbox. The converter has some cool editing tools built inside. The one we are using is the background remover. It is AI-powered and can easily remove image background within seconds. No need of complicated editing anymore. Then we can change the background color, or customize it by importing another image as background. And of course we can adjust the cutout area ourselves using the brush. Most of the time the AI does a good job, so basically we don't need to adjust that. The converter can run on both Windows and Mac system. As for the price, it's not free. Here is the info. It is now having a big discount, so if you guys want to try out the background remover and other cool tools within the software, you can consider trying this. 5.
Remove.bg Slasher Removal AI Photo Scissors Cutout Pro.
The reason why we put these 5 tools together is that their functions are pretty much the same. They are all online tools and can remove the background within seconds. After removal, we can also change the background, or erase and restore the area. Photo Scissors and Cutout.pro has more editing features like adding text, shapes, adjust layers. They all have free options, but only provide very small resolution to download for free users. This will greatly reduce the image quality. To get full quality, they will ask you to buy credits. If you have like only several photos, that should be okay. But if you have multiple photos, the price isn't that friendly. 6.
InPixio Background Remover.
This is an amazing tool as it is actually free to use, but its removal isn't that perfect. As you can see, the edge isn't that clean, which means we have to use the brush to refine it ourselves. And we can't customize the background by importing other photos. Anyway, it is free to download as many photos as you like. 7.
Pixlr BG.
Pixlr BG is also a tool for background removal. It can work in a couple of seconds, and it supports import multiple photos and process them all at once. We can save the images with full resolution. However, if we want to fine-tune the image, it will ask us to go premium, and the price is here. If we download the image without fine-tuning, the removal effect might not be that perfect. Well, there are two sides to every door. Each tool has its own pros and cons. Find the one that suits you best would always make things easier. We hope this video can provide you with a brief idea of these background removal tools and help you with your work. You can click our other videos for more useful media tools. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. You have our deep appreciation. Thanks for watching.